Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to insert smart chips in your Google Sheets. Here's how you insert smart chips in Google Sheets. First, go to Google Sheets and open the spreadsheets where you want to insert smart chips, which of course I've done right here. Now click on the cell where you want to insert smart chips. Then type a keyword. So enter a keyword or type at followed by the type of smart chip you want to insert. For example, at date, at person, or at file. So let's go ahead and do that. So it could be person. So I've just added that at person. That's it. So you can also use the menu, all right, to add a smart chip. So click on insert in the top menu and select smart chips. And once you select smart chips, from the drop down, so select smart chip from the drop down, then choose the type of smart chip you want from this extended option. So you can choose people to add a contact or a team member. You can choose file to link to files from Google Drive. You can choose calendar events, all right, to add a date picker to add events. And you can use place, you can use finance, and you can even use rating, whichever one you want to use. So select the smart chip type, all right. Let's say, for example, I want to use people. You can use smart chips and I use files. For example, I want to use files. So go ahead and search for the file that you want or select the file from your Google Drive. So this is chip.org and that's it. So click on the smart chip on the drop down and select it from the menu to insert into the cell, which is here. You can also edit your smart chips. Pro tips: to select the cell with the smart chip and go ahead and click on the cell. That's it. And then once you do that, for file, click on the smart chip to link to a different file. So just click on that. You can choose data instructions or you can choose on OK, and that's it. You're the owner, no changes. So you can click on data instructions, so data to extract and extract from. You can even click on refresh and manage for you to refresh and manage your sheet. You can even click on this and click on OK for you to copy and paste it anywhere on your sheet. You can also, of course, remove smart chip. So select the cell containing the smart chip that you want to remove and click on delete key on your keyboard, or right click on the cell and select clear contents from the context menu, and that will be cleared. So smart chips help enhance functionality and connectivity within Google Sheets by linking to various Google Workspace features and files. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.